Good afternoon, dear viewers. I'm glad to welcome you to the Sovelmash channel. It is Alexander Sudarev as always. We are in the Design and Technological Bureau. Today is the 10th of January, which means that the national holidays are over. They were very good. A lot was done during that period. A lot of work tasks were accomplished. Let's see what Sovelmash specialists and builders are doing today. First of all, here you can observe quite a large number of radiators. This indicates that the installation of heating in this part, in the right part, if you look from the entrance to the building, it should also be taken into account that the whole building is already connected to centralized heating. And now internal works are being done, connecting more and more rooms. The work is being done quite actively. Now the guys have a break. Radiators are already arranged, pipes are already prepared according to their size, and in the next few days I hope that all of that will be mounted. We can also see that a temporary warehouse has been organized in this room. There is quite a large number of furniture, which was brought here from temporary rented premises. Now the task is to bring all of it to a certain shape in order to start forming workplaces. That is why the electrical work is very active now. Now you can see Picanesca behind the door. There are our brave electricians under the ceiling who are connecting the lighting systems. Be careful, don't hurt yourself. Move on. Let this man pass. So our electricians continue their work right before your eyes. Now we are moving to the working shop. Here we also see some changes. First of all, the climate systems are already being put in place in order to start the installation. We can also see that during the holidays, the machines were received and arranged. Or rather, it was done before the new year. The equipment will be put here, it will be arranged. Now it is being completed with tools and all the necessary elements. We can also see, dear cameraman, please show that the territory is being cleaned as well. Now all the debris is being completely removed. All the elements of the materials that have already been used are being removed. The premises, as I said, are being prepared for final finishing. This is especially true for the administrative and utility building, and the task is, and it was mentioned already, to prepare the premises in the shortest possible time for their occupancy by workers or employees in order to completely abandon the temporary premises. And it is important to emphasize that during the holidays there were considerable frosts and the temperature dropped below 30 degrees. You can see that I'm wearing a sweater now, but nevertheless it will be possible to take it off because the room is warm. And it was also warm during those 30-degree frosts. Despite the fact that not all the parts of the Design and Technological Bureau are connected to the heating system, the heating from the central heating medium is already sufficient to work and stay here comfortably. And the most important thing is that the individual heating station has fully fulfilled its task, and optimal operating modes in different temperature regimes were achieved. So the baptism of fire has happened, as they say. I congratulate all of us on that. Now we have moved to that individual heating unit, and what can we see here? We see a high degree of readiness. We can see that the system is under pressure. The temperature in the common main is about 110 degrees. And on the return flow it is about 78 degrees of heat. That means that the system is working in its optimal mode. And there is quite a good heat extraction, which warms our building. And this is really a very big achievement, because the main pipelines that carry electricity, water supply, both hot and cold, storm sewerage, household sewerage, they're already fully functional. And it means that we have fulfilled our pack of tasks which we had to do before the cold weather. And now we'll just do that finishing. Start up the equipment, receive and arrange new equipment, continue our research, testing, and creation of pre-production and serial samples of our products. And of course, staffing with specialists of the highest category. That is what we are now busy with. Therefore, the year 2024 promises to be very interesting, because we will need to hand over the facility to the State Commission. We will need to start commercialization. There are very agile, let's say, works concerning launching of the first serial products of Sovelmash. And this year, I think you need to follow the news and social media even more actively. So subscribe to all of our social networks. In particular, don't forget about Telegram. Telegram is developing. We already have more than 1,500 subscribers there. And a kind of chat room is being formed where you can communicate, get answers to your questions, and of course, just discuss what is happening in the Sovelmash project. Congratulations to all of us once again. Thank you for your attention, trust, participation, and see you soon.